I'm Ayush and I'm going to show you my project for real-time embedded systems. The aim of this project is to identify the exercises uh, according to the data captured by the accelerometer. My approach to this challenge was to record the mean and standard deviation of angles as well as acceleration captured through accelerometer and take the mean square error with the calculated value and and the exercise having least mean square error with the calculated value is the exercise identified as a current state, and each state is shown by a single LED out of the 4 LED. The orange is for push-up, the green is for sit-up, the red is for squats, and the blue is for jumping jacks. As for the current state is defined, it will indicate each state through LEDs and it will detect immediately which state I am in. Currently, it is like giving a random because I'm not doing any exercise, so it does not matter what it shows. But as soon as I start doing any exercise, it will show the correct state using the LEDs. And as soon as I start an exercise, as soon as it detects a state, it will start a timer. The default is 10 seconds, and when the timer ends, it will blink all 4 lights to indicate that it is time for some rest, and then it will blink the LED for the next exercise. For example, if I am doing push-ups, it after 10 seconds it will show all 4 LEDs, and then it will show green to indicate that my next exercise should be sit-up. And I could also turn it off and also turn it on. So let me show you a demonstration. Suppose I am doing push-up. So remember, orange is for push-up and green is for sit-up, red is for squat, and blue is for jumping jacks. So as soon as I'm doing a push-up, it will show orange. Let me do it for 10 seconds. And you will see it will start blinking, indicating that it's going on a rest, and then it will start blinking green, showing my next exercise should be a sit-up. So as soon as you start doing sit-up, you will see it will indicate the light as green. And after I finish my sit-up, it will show me that I've finished, and it will indicate red, indicating my next exercise should be squats. So after I finish my squats, time for some rest, and then you'll see it will blink blue, showing I should do jumping jacks. So I have to hold it a little bit because it's not stable when I jump. So okay, I think when I stopped, it stopped detecting I was doing jumping jacks. So it resets. Now, since I finished jumping jacks, it will give me some rest, and it will indicate orange, that is push-up, the next exercise. So it will keep cycling until I close it. So we can also break it. We can also start doing something else, like squats again, and it will immediately blink red. It will immediately detect that I'm doing squats and will start a timer for 10 to 15 seconds. And after the timer ends, it will show me again which next exercise I should do. To be honest, I can keep doing squats and ignore the indicator, and it will start the timer again after it detects I'm doing squats again. I can also, before the timer ends, I can also change my exercise in between if I feel I want to do something else. And like I said, it changes to blue as soon as it detects me doing jumping jacks. For example, I can also immediately start doing a push-up, and it will indicate orange for push-up. And then after push-up, I can just do immediately jump squats. Currently it's showing me that I should adjust a little bit. Okay, now I can start doing squats, and now it's red. Yeah. So one more feature I have is you can set how much time you want to do each exercise. This button is to turn it off, and to turn it on you have to hold the button, and the longer you hold the button, the longer the time for next exercise is set. If I hold it for 1 second, the timer for each exercise will be 10 seconds. If I hold it for 2 seconds, the timer for each exercise will be 20 seconds. If I hold for 3 seconds, the timer for each exercise will be 30 seconds, and so on. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Now the timer for each exercise is much longer than before. You will see it will take a bit longer for it to trigger the rest state. That is the state in which all 4 lights blink. I think it might get me too tired, but it's okay. I'm scared that it might fall down because I don't have anything to fix it right now. But it is very robust. Even if it shakes a little bit, it will immediately detect which exercise I am doing. You see, now the time is much longer because I hold it for much longer. Okay. Now let me give a short time. Let me turn it off, and then that's it. Now you will see the timer is now much shorter. Should be much shorter. Yeah, already. It's already in rest position. So, to recap, it immediately detects which exercise I am doing, indicating which color. Blue is for jumping jacks, red is for squats, orange is for push-up, and green is for sit-ups. And it also indicates after I finish an exercise that which exercise I should do. So I finish this exercise, and it will give me 5-second rest period, and after that it will blink the next light, orange light, indicating I should do the orange exercise, that is the push-up. And you can also turn it off and set your own custom time how much you want to do each exercise. Yeah, so that is all for now. Thank you.